Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to submit a ticket in the AWC ticketing system. First, go to support.advancedwireless.com. On the home page, you will be able to see all the options available to you. You are not required to sign up or log in to submit a ticket. However, if you do log in, you will be able to see past or ongoing tickets in your history. Click either of the two Submit a Ticket buttons on the top right or in the middle of the page. To create a repair request, click Radio Repair/RMA Automated. Enter your email address. This will allow you to receive updates regarding your repair. If this is your first ticket, you will be asked for your name and company as well. If your company has multiple locations, please add your store location or number, as well as your repair location's zip code. Enter your phone number or the number you wish us to use to provide updates on or ask questions about your repair. Please review the AWC warranty prior to checking the box for the non-warranty repairs disclaimer. Select your radio's model number from the drop-down. If you have more than one radio that needs repairing, please enter a serial number for each radio. To do this, simply separate the serial numbers with a comma. You may also enter your serial numbers in the description field down lower on the page. If your equipment has an asset number or ID, enter that as well. You must enter a PO number. If your equipment is still under warranty, simply type warranty. If your company does not use PO numbers, enter your name or whoever is responsible for accepting the charges for the repair. If you enter a PO number and we determine that your equipment is still under warranty, we will not use the PO number or charge you for the repair. We will not repair any radio without something in the PO number field. If a radio sits for too long in our service area, we may end up returning it. Select the closest option from the problem type drop-down to what you are requesting for your repair. If you have any accessories to return, add them. They may also be added to the description field below. Please do not return any batteries. Most importantly, lithium-ion batteries, which require specific labeling to ship legally. Please only return accessories if they are defective. Please outline what you believe is wrong with your equipment in the description field as well. We may not detect the issue if it is minor or abnormal. Review once again the policy on sending batteries. You will receive your RMA number in an email after submitting your request. Check the final two boxes and remember that an RMA will only be accepted if the RMA number is listed on the outside of the box you send in. Complete the CAPTCHA and hit Submit. You will receive an email with a summary of your request, as well as your RMA number and instructions for where to send your equipment. We encourage you to pack your equipment securely to avoid further damages during travel. You will receive emailed updates when we receive your gear, when we're repairing your gear, and when your gear is on its way back to you, including tracking information. The repair request or RMA process is automated. Please do not reply to the emailed updates you receive. The inbox for that email is not monitored. If you need to communicate further regarding your RMA, please submit a new ticket and include your RMA number so that our staff can be ready to assist you. There are instances in which your equipment will be returned to you partially. Your RMA will not be closed out or completed by us until we have repaired and returned everything you send us. If you would like to verify whether your equipment is under warranty prior to submitting an RMA or sending your gear in, return to the Submit a Ticket button and select the Warranty Lookup option from the drop-down. Enter the email address you would like the results sent to, as well as your name. Check the boxes and then locate the model number for your radio. When entering the serial numbers, simply leave a space between them if there are multiple. You may enter up to 10 serial numbers under one warranty lookup request. Shortly after submitting your request, you will receive your results via email, with the serial number listed in the subject line for ease of viewing. For submissions with multiple serial numbers, an email will be sent for each. If the system is unable to locate your serial numbers or warranty information, the email will include our telephone number so we can help you with your request personally. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-475-5852 or submit a ticket via our ticketing system.